Aloha! Hello, my cyber gods. Hope everyone's having a wonderful and productive day. Well, a friend of mine from Poland has his own martial arts clothing attire, or grappling attire, and he was nice enough to send me some of their grappling clothes so I can try it out and see how I like it. So he sent me the rash guard in black, and it's called Mad Dog. And he sent me the grappling spats, and I must say these are really awesome. They feel comfortable, they feel light, cool, the material's pretty light. I hate thick grappling spats, so I just hate thick workout pants. Here's the back. That. So it's Mad Dog Cage Ring Mat. And they have a Facebook page and also a website if you guys would like to order some grappling attire. It's maddog.com, or you can find them on Facebook. Mad Dog Cage Ring Mat. So look for them on Facebook. And again, if you guys need new grappling clothes, make sure you pay them a visit. And they also made me my own customized rash guard and spats with the Hapsamura logo, and they personalized my name on the spats on the leg. So I'm going to show that here in a few seconds. Okay everyone, I'm back with my customized grappling spats and rash guard. It's got the Hapsamura logo on the front and also the back, but I will show you that in a few. My color scheme that I chose was white, black, blue, and a tint of pink. I didn't want to be totally a pink freak on the mat. So the rash guard is really airy, really light and flexible, and also the spats are pretty roomy, flexible. It's not super tight. I don't feel like a sausage casing. I can breathe, I can move, I can flow well with it. So all in all, I love this item. Well, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share and hit like. And I want to thank my friends out in Poland for the awesome grappling spats and rash guard. Thank you so much. I would wear them with pride. Bye everyone.